Much new this morning. Voters in Maryland share a positive view of Governor Larry Hogan, but they don't want him to run for president in 2020. That's according to the second part of a new Goucher poll that was just released a few hours ago, 12:01 this morning. 69% of the 808 Maryland voters surveyed approve of the job Governor Hogan is doing. Only 14% disapprove. 80% feel the governor can manage the government effectively. 70% say they believe Governor Hogan is honest and trustworthy. So good numbers in this new poll for Governor Hogan. However, just 1/3 of Marylanders feel the governor should challenge President Trump in the 2020 presidential election. 55% of the people think he should stay here and finish out his second term as governor. Goucher's polling center says this suggests that mounting a primary challenge to President Trump would be difficult unless there's some kind of dramatic change in the national political scene. The poll also looked at the General Assembly and President Trump's ability to lead the country. 41% of the voters in Maryland feel the General Assembly is doing a good job, while 30% disapprove, 26% aren't sure. As for the president, just 30% of Maryland voters are pleased with his efforts, while 66% say he could do better. This poll looked into the current state of the economy as well and other issues. You can find the full results on our website right now, WMAR2news.com.